All right, Jane Box Breaks here. It's the 25th of February, 12:29 a.m. Eastern Time. We got Mr. I Love Tom Brady, even though he sucks dick here, breaking 2015 Elite Extra Edition Baseball. Good luck, Sean. Good luck, my friend. Let's get you something nice. Gonna get at least 7 autos and 1 relic. Some boxes have 10, some have 8. And then there's one with 7. And then there's also one with 7 with a number 1 prospect auto. Let's see what we get you, sir. And there's also ones with cool patches. Well, 3 of those. Throw out the case. So anyway, bud, about those Patriots, they ain't going to do shit this year. And Tom Brady, he's just going to retire again. Sorry, he's just going to retire and never have another ring. So you enjoy them, because they suck. How about Gronk? Out doing whatever he wants and no one cares. Crazy. He's going to catch a rape charge from that cruise. Watch. Some chick's going to come out and say he raped her. But no one will even care. Him and that big gonzo nose. All good. Just how it works. Gronk and Brady get away with murder. Aaron Hernandez, not so much. All right, sir. Good. Luck. Don't get turned on by that. All right. Ash Russell, nice hit out of 100 on the die cut. Kevin Newman. All right, Lucas Williams out of 200 on the die cut. We got Jaden Fiend. Jaden Fiend. That's right. He's a fiend on the relic. Blank. It looks like you have an insert auto coming up, sir. Very nice one. Tyler Naquin, 49 of 49, eBay, 1-on-1. Tyler Naquin's nice for the Indians. Nice hit, sir. 1 auto. All right, for New York, you got Kyle Holder, 54 of 75 on the auto. New York shortstop. Don't know if it's the Yankees or Mets. All right, next up, nice hit. For St. Louis, you got Jordan Hicks, pitcher for the Cardinals. All right, we got Philip Pfeiffer. Philip Pfeiffer, Los Angeles. Crazy eyes. All right, we got Wilson Contreras out of 200 on the die cut. I'm getting 10,000 PMs. What else is new? Story of my life. Justin Macy. He's a pitcher for Toronto. Alright, come on, hits. Where you at? Alright, Fernando Tatis Jr., very nice hit. Numbered to 50 for Chicago White Sox. Die cut. Have a good box, sir. 2 really good hits. Scott Kingerly out of 150. Alright, here you go. You got one of the prospect boxes. 9 of 10, Vlad Guerrero Jr. Very nice, sir. Good box. And that is it, my friend. See how many autos you got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You got one of the 7 auto boxes, a relic, and a couple of numbered die cuts. But you did get one of the #1 draft picks, I believe. Vlad Guerrero is on that list. It's a good hit, my friend. You said you don't want the base. I'll give it to my son. Let him play with it. And I will send you your hits. I will have them shipped out to you Friday. Thank you, Sean. And screw the Patriots.